how to pair or connect your Apple Airpods to the DZ09 smartwatch. Now this may sound crazy, but it might work, might not work, but it could connect. But let's just get started. And the reason you want to do this is if you have some songs already on a memory card inserted into your DZ09 smartwatch and you want to listen to it using the Airpods, that's actually possible. Well, let's actually see if that works, but it could connect, and let's see how to do that. So we'll go to where it says menu on the smartwatch. Just give me a chance here to focus this. So we'll go to menu, and then we'll browse across until we get to the Bluetooth icon section over here. Okay, we'll see where it says Bluetooth. We'll tap on that one time, and then you'll see power, visibility, and search new device. So we'll tap on the word power, then it'll switch on. And now it's on. Then we'll go to visibility, and it goes from off to on. So now the visibility of the smartwatch is on, and then we'll go to where it says search new device. Alright, now before we select search new device, the next step is to actually get the AirPods into pairing mode manually. And to do this, we'll pop open the lid over here, and you'll see the green light. And what we're going to do is press the button over here to the back, and this is actually the genuine version, nothing fake. Alright, so we'll press down this button here, and we'll hold it down until we see the white light starts blinking. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so when you get to that, let it go. And make sure the case remains open, because once it closes, it will shut it down automatically and, well, I guess turn it off, and it won't be able to pick it up on the smartwatch. So just remain open, or keep it remaining open as soon as I can focus here. Come on. There you go. And then we're going to select OK this time. And it says searching. Just give it a few seconds, and there you go, AirPods. And then once you see it, select pair. It'll say pairing. And it's going to accept pairing from AirPods, yes. And then it says connecting, it says connected. And that should be it. You'll see that little icon across of the word AirPods, and that's it, guys. And then you could just go back to your music player, and hopefully it plays. It's in the audio player section here. Mine wouldn't show anything because I don't have any memory card inserted into it, but I did a guide with how to add songs and so forth with the DZ09 smartwatch, so you can check that out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.